Let us recall some differences between the gymnosperms and the angiosperms. Ovary wall. Let's talk about the ovary wall. For gymnosperms, ovary wall is absent. For angiosperms, it is present. Next one, ovule. Ovule is present. This one is also present. This one is naked. This one is covered. Covered by what? Covered by ovary wall. Let's talk about gametophytes. Okay? Let's talk about the male gametophyte first, then we talk about the female gametophyte. How is the male gametophyte? The pollen grain. Here I have taken example of the pinus tree. The microspore is winged, then one functional gamete. One functional gamete. We can also mention that the male gametophyte is dependent on anemophily. How about the angiosperms? Usually spiked, pollinated usually by insects. Two functional gametes. How about the female gametophytes? For both, the female gametophyte in case of the pinus is multicellular, reduced, however larger than that of angiosperms. And for angiosperms, it is so much reduced that it is 7-celled and 8-nucleated. It's highly reduced. So this was about the gametophytes. Next, let's talk about archegonia, which is the female sex organ. Archegonia are present in the female gametophyte, present in the gymnosperms, but absent. Did we see any archegonia? Absent in the angiosperms. Next, endosperm. Endosperm, which is a nutritive tissue. Is it present in gymnosperms? It's present. Is it present in angiosperms? Yes, it is present in angiosperms as well. However, the ploidy of gymnosperm endosperm is N, and the ploidy of angiosperm endosperm is 3N because of the triple fusion. Next, formed when? Before fertilization. In case of the gymnosperms, before fertilization. In gymnosperms, the endosperm is formed before fertilization. In angiosperms, it is formed after fertilization, post-fertilization. Last point I'll write between gymnosperms and angiosperms. Pollination. How is the pollination? In case of gymnosperms, pollination is direct. In case of angiosperms, it is indirect. Anemophily only. There is, in angiosperms, there is anemophily along with entomophily, which is pollination by insects. Say ovule character. Ovule is orthotropous and it is unitegmic. In case of angiosperms, it is anatropous and it is bitegmic. So these are the differences between gymnosperms and angiosperms. And this is what you need to learn, a diplontic type of life cycle as you have understood it in case of angiosperms as well. So this was the story of the plant kingdom.